You're silly.
Grandma gonna get her hair did.
Did River have cough syrup today?
No.
You got a cold?
You gonna come with Grandma and get her hair did? We're gonna get our hair did, aren't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get rid of that monkey on your head.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get our hair did.
Mommy,
What?
where's the hair did
You want me to get my hair did?
Look at your hair did.
No.
River,
Hair did.
say I'm sexy. Say I'm sexy and I know it.
Say I'm sexy.
No, I'm not.
We're gonna get our hair did.
No, I'm gonna get hair did.
Say I'm gonna get my hair did.
My hair did.
Say
Hair did.
Hair did.
it. Look at it.
I really want.
You alright?
Are you losing it?
No.
I think River's
Look at it. Now he's
super
normal
happy.
again.
I did
He's such a trip.
River, come here.
What?
You gonna get your hair did?
No. Mommy, I really want my city party. I look like a charm.
He doesn't even know what's going on. Okay, your dad's here.
Yay! Yay, you gonna go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Say, right on.
And go get our hair did.
Oh my goodness.
Daddy.
No more cough syrup for the baby. He's having way too much fun with it. Way too much